Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a multitasking video for you. This is something that Amanda and I have talked about doing for a while, and because we both multitask a lot of our products, and you see some of that in the makeup mix-up that we do with our friend Janine, and we tend to multitask quite a lot of our products, and not just for the makeup mix-up. And we wanted to share with you some of the ways that we multitask our products. We use things a little bit differently from one another, so you definitely want to go check out her video because I'm sure she's going to offer other suggestions and tips for you. I'm going to get right into what I have, and I will show you a few products, but I'm not going to pull everything out. Starting off with eyeshadow. You guys know I multitask eyeshadow like nobody's business. A lot of times I will fill in my eyebrows with eyeshadow. I've used it as blush and highlighter, contour, bronzer. I've used it as lip toppers, and I even got a little crazy and I have used a loose eyeshadow as a mascara topper. I don't do that frequently just because I don't have time, but I have done that. But all of the other places on my face, I have definitely used it, and I use it on a regular basis. So that is definitely my primary multitasking product is eyeshadow. I'm sure so many people already do that. Another thing that I like to do is use highlighter as an eyeshadow. I also like to use that as a lip topper. I think, you know, you get a little bit more variety when you use certain products in other ways. I also like to use blush as an eyeshadow, especially for certain looks where I want to tie the eye look into the rest of the face. Just adding a little bit of the blush in there just helps color coordinate it a little bit better. Let's see. What else do I use? Oh, yes, I use this powder sometimes to set my eye primer. And yeah, if you don't have a matte cream or something, you know, like that as an eyeshadow, you can always use whatever face powder you're using. This one just happens to be translucent. I have used other colors like the rest of my face, like natural colors. Y'all know what I'm saying. I don't. It's really late at night and my thinker's not thinking. All right, I have a few more things that I want to show you. Obviously, I have lipstick. A lot of people do this. I don't do it frequently, but I can use this particular one as like a cream bronzer, and I do have some other colors that I would like to use sometimes, not always, but sometimes as a cream blush, and I even have a few that I could use as a cream highlighter. Crazy, I know. I have two interchangeable products for me. This is the Wet n Wild Concealer. I don't only use this to conceal. If I am in a hurry and I need to get out the door, I will also use it as an eye primer. I'm sure tons of people do that. And this eye primer from e.l.f. Yep, I actually will use this as a concealer sometimes. It just depends on what's in my basket and, you know, how big of a hurry I'm in. We all know that we can use cream eyeshadows as a base, and I do that frequently. I do the ones with the sticks, and I also have the potted ones that are technically cream eyeshadows, but they make a great base. I like to use the potted ones, especially when I use something that has a lot of glitter, because it helps it to adhere that glitter a little bit more, and it works great. You really need to try that. Let's see. Another eyeshadow base that you can use is an eyeliner. I use this sometimes just for my inner corners, but I also sometimes like to use that all over the eyelid as a base. It's really nice. And the last thing that I use, it's sort of multitasking and sort of not, lip liner. I know other people do this. I like to actually fill in my entire lip with lip liner and then maybe put a sheer gloss over it. So I kind of use it like a lipstick, and I think it worked well for me. So I can't think of anything else right off the top of my head. Sometimes I will use an eyeliner for my lips, and yeah, I'm crazy like that. I will use colored lip liners or even like browns or whatever and do that on my lips, just, you know, when I'm feeling a little funky. I think that is probably all of the multitasking ideas that I can think of right off the top of my head. I'm sure there's like a million other ways to multitask products. So if you have an idea for using a product in a slightly different way or something that you like to multitask, please leave it down in the comments so that, you know, maybe we can learn from what you do and we can read each other's comments and find new ways to make our collection just a little bit more usable for us. Definitely go check out Amanda's channel. She is going to be linked down below, and I'm also going to have her at the end of my video so you can just click on her face and go right to her channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.